show producer for Firework Spectacular by Souza. I'm the show producer for this year's show at La Habra. What we have here today are a demonstration of some of our multi-shot devices and our 2.5-inch and 3-inch aerial shells. We're utilizing multiple different types of effects, lower level effects which go from the ground to about 150 feet and higher level effects that go up to about 300 feet. But this is a much more intimate firing site and location, so the crowd can be a bit closer and be more involved in the show. You'll actually be able to feel it better and be much closer than in years past. Should be quite impactful this year.
What is this thing over here?
That's a fire extinguisher. We hope we never have to use them.
Cool.
Hi, this is Dave DeLeon, the Recreation Manager with the City of La Habra. I'm here to talk about this year's 4th of July event. We've chosen this facility and we heard that you really liked it. You love the trees, you love the feeling of it. So we decided, okay, we are gonna be here. But then we needed to launch the fireworks a little bit more closer. So this year we're gonna actually launch them from in here, the field. And that's gonna be, you're gonna be able to feel them the way you have in the past. And so that's gonna be great. But also, as you know, we have our entertainment. Our entertainment is gonna be Soto Band. You've heard them, they're great. They get you dancing. They're gonna be located over here. And they'll have the big stage and good music. And then we're gonna go to the food area. And that's gonna be on the northeast corner of the facility, Field 1. And that's where we have all of our food and all of it for purchase. Now, the great thing about this event is you can bring your own food. You know, so you're still gonna have that opportunity to do that. We encourage you to do that, bring your family and enjoy. For the kids, we're gonna really have a robust kids zone. And that's gonna be located over here. However, I do wanna mention one thing. You know, this event can only be held because we can afford to support it through the admissions. So this year we're actually securing the facility. That means that you're gonna need to purchase your wristband in order to get in here. The event begins at 5 o'clock. We will launch our fireworks at 9 o'clock, and we have so many things that we're gonna offer. Some things I can't share yet because we're still working out the details, but I'm gonna tell you this is gonna be another great show. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you here.